What's up guys, Marcos here, and as a lot of you already know, the iOS 13 beta is already out. It's been out for like half a month, but today I'm going to be showing you how to install both the public beta from Apple themselves, but also the developer beta, which gives you more features. Apple releases as I was saying before I was interrupted, was that I'm going to be showing you how to install both the public beta and developer beta of iOS 13. Now, some quick differences between the public beta and developer beta of iOS 13 is that for the public beta, Apple releases updates slower than the developer beta because the public beta is given out by Apple to like pretty much anyone if you want to install it, while the developer beta is only for their developers. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install, like I said, the public beta, which is the normal way, and also the developer beta, even if you're not a developer from Apple. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first one will be the public beta, Apple's public beta for iOS 13. So what you want to do is go to beta.apple.com, right? Not that one. beta.apple.com, and you should be taken here, right? And you can sign up or sign in for the beta program. All right, once you have signed in with your Apple ID, you should be taken to this screen where it says Guide for Public Betas, and all you have to do is go to iOS. It says iOS 13, and you scroll down to the Get Started and press this right here. This right here. Enroll your iOS device, and then it'll tell you you should archive a backup. So that means just back up your phone on iTunes before you do this, and then you just install the profile, which I already have on my phone. And once you install the profile, like go into the settings, press install, put in your password, you should be able to update your iOS device to iOS 13, the public beta, and public beta 2 is out right now. And I'm currently on iOS 13, which is why you see I have dark mode on, which is nice. Not all of them work, and shout out to the Undertale wallpaper. But yeah, this is not a jailbroken phone, by the way. But that's basically all you do. You just go here, right? Once you've installed it, go to software update like normal. And here, see, I haven't updated to public beta 2 yet, but you'll see I'm gonna update to the developer beta. So you'll see that right now. Okay, so to download the developer beta, which is currently on developer beta 4 of iOS 13, you go to this website right here, betaprofiles.com. Like that, just like that, simple. Once you go here, you scroll down to iOS 13 download, right? So you press this. This is my first time doing it too, so I'm showing you, just going through it. So it says trying to download a configuration profile. You just press allow, right? And you go review the profile. So you go to settings, back, let me go all the way back to show you. So here it should say profile downloaded, but if it doesn't, you just go to general, down, profiles and device management. Then when it says up here, downloaded profile, click this, install at the top, and enter your password. Immediately after you have entered your password, you should see this consent form or whatever, a message. You can read it if you want to. I won't be reading it, obviously. It's basically just saying it's pre-release software and blah, 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 whatever. So you just press install, install again, and then it says you must restart your phone. So see you after I restart my phone. Okay, so once you have restarted your phone, it should just take you back like a normal restart. You go into settings here, and you could go down to general and profiles, device management to check to make sure it installed correctly, which it did, verified. It says remove profile if you want, but we don't want to do that. So now all you do from here is go up like you're normally updating your phone, general software update, and it should pop up right here, iOS 13 developer beta 4. So that's basically it, and I'll be back when I install it onto my phone. All right. Okay, so now that you have updated, it took about 15 minutes to update completely. So you can just go here, software update, it'll say your software is up to date. We'll go to about, it'll say the same thing right here. software version, iOS 13, and now you're updated, and you can check out all the cool features, and it will keep sending you updates normally through software updates whenever they release a new beta. Alright, that was basically it for both installing the public beta and the developer beta for iOS 13. I would recommend installing the developer beta because they're being updated more frequently and they are more stable and have less bugs than the public betas do. So you can just follow what I did there and install developer beta, but it's your preference if you want to install straight from Apple because you think other websites not really safe, then you can go ahead and install the public beta. And in the betas, there's always this app called Feedback where you can write like feedback to Apple and like based on any bugs you've encountered to help them get rid of those bugs for the official iOS 13 release in September. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked it, enjoyed it, found it helpful, then please check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and just thanks guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.